Hello everyone, Jeff Cowan here from Jeff Cowan's Pro Talk. Thank you for watching and listening. Hey listen, I'm sending you this video because I want you to know that I just scheduled 3 brand new workshops, and this one is called The 6-Step Road to Service Department and Service Advisor Success. Now you may recognize that title because I've used that title now for the last couple of years, but what you may not know is I've updated the content in it. In this new workshop, I will be talking about 25 different ways to close your customers on the service drive. Yes, we're going to hit closing sales and handle objections really hard in this workshop because that's what you said you wanted. I've also included a brand new topic, how to present multi-point inspections, learn how to present them professionally, ask for the sale, and get the sale nearly every time. You're going to love this stuff. And of course, I'm going to talk about how to walk around a car, ask diagnostic questions, build rapport, and many, many other things. You got to get there because what you're going to learn how to do is I'm going to teach you how to get perfect survey scores. I'm going to teach you how to get your customer retention above 85% within 9 months, no kidding. And I'm going to show you how to get an immediate 5/10 increase on your service drive once you go back from my workshop to your service drive and start writing service. Now, who should come to this? Obviously, service advisors, but in general, anybody that may be on that service drive talking to your customers, they would benefit from this workshop. Advisors, cashiers, greeters, porters, shuttle bus drivers, service managers, and especially people from your business development center. You got to get them in there. Now, you're saying, well, where are these workshops? That's the best part. We've got 3 of them. I've got one in Chicago on March 14th and 15th, March 14th and 15th, and that one's almost already sold out. That one always sells out. I've got another one in Houston, Texas, where everything's bigger, right? In April, and April 18th and 19th, April 18th and 19th, and then we got a 3rd one scheduled in Washington, D.C., the nation's capital, right, where everything happens. Well, guess what else is going to be happening in Washington, D.C.? One of my workshops, when? It's going to be May 16th and 17th. So again, Chicago, March 14th and 15th, Houston, April 18th and 19th, Washington, D.C., May 16th and 17th, the 6-Step Road to Service Department and Service Advisor Success. If you want to maximize your opportunity and be the absolute best you can be, or you're a manager or a dealer and you want your people to be the absolute best they can be, you got to send them to this workshop. I'll be there, you be there, let's get signed up, and let's make this happen. I'll see you there. Take care.